We've just received this car lock anti-theft device for our review, and I just tried it out, and I've tried some other ones before. This one is so easy to try out, to use, and what I really like, it's also a dual function, because if you just have, this is it right there, if you just have the actual unit in the car with you, it can also be used to break the window if ever you need to break the window with this device right there. So that's a really cool thing. And the way it works is this super solid steel, really nice handle, and they do provide 3 keys. So if you can, whoever's authorized to drive your vehicle, you give them a key, no problem right there. So I'm gonna unlock it and show you exactly how crazy fast this is. It works with the brake pedal. So you just put it over the brake pedal, just like that. And then this is where you put your, I'm gonna take the key off, your foot on and twist and lock in position. If I'm not happy with the lock, I just go just one more. Now I know it's locked, and check this out. Cannot apply the brake. What does not being able to apply the brake? Well, of course, I'm not going to be able to engage the car either in drive mode, or even some vehicles, I won't even be able to turn them on. So super cool. And obviously, everyone wants to know how easy is it to unlock. Make sure that I twist the handle to really release it, and then there you go. It's completely released, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the handle of the release right here. It's a really nice, nifty product, super secure, a really big deterrent, but also it does the job, and works with virtually any type of vehicles. They do provide 2 different ones. They offer 2 different ones depending on the size of your pedal, 15 millimeters and under, and 16 and over. Just measure really quickly your pedal and choose the right one. They're awesome.